Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions. This is chapter 3 of class 5, Managing Files and Folder. This is the question answer series for all the students. If you want the full chapter, then please go to the playlist section and see class 5 playlist, and all the chapters of class 5 are available there. So if you want the back question exercise and answers, please follow this video and continue with the video. Let's go directly to the question and answer series. Back question and answer, CBSE class 5th, section A. Fill in the blanks. Edubuntu is dash that act as an interface between the user and the computer. The answer is operating system. The dash button allows you to set the background color of your desktop. Answer is color and gradients. Dash provide an easy way to adjust volume settings. Sound indicator. The dash provides shortcut icons of commonly used application mounted. Answer is launcher. The screen or the dash is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer left idle for a certain period of time. Screensaver. Dash narrows down your search by specifying file modification time type, file filter results. Stay true or false. The files and folder lens assist in finding files or folders. The first edition of Edubuntu was released on 14th October 2005. False. The clear calendar screenlet gives you information about weather. False. Lens is responsible for providing a category of search results for the dash. True. Screenlets are called as mini programs. True. The extreme right of the menu bar is called launcher. False. It is on the left side. Application based questions. Sudhir wants to search a file in his computer system, but he has forgotten the file. All he could recall is that the file size is 32 KB and is saved with the extension .ott. Suggest the most suitable method to search the file. The answer is search using dash icon. Ria wants to set her own photograph as desktop background. Suggest her the option to do the same. The answer is customizing the desktop. Shreya wants to update the weather forecast of her city on a regular basis. Which screenlet should be used? The free Meteo Weather is to be used for weather information. This is a software. Free Meteo Weather. Now multiple choice questions. The first edition of Edubuntu was released on 13th October 2005. 14.04.2 is the latest version of Edubuntu. Which of the following options help you in uploading or downloading paid and unpaid application for Edubuntu? That is Ubuntu Software Center. Which options allows you to set any picture as desktop background, colors and gradient? Using dash tab, you can change the size of icons on the launcher. Look. Select the option using which you can add more screenlets in the Screenlets Manager window. Get more screenlets. Answer the following. Mention any two features of Edubuntu that have made it popular. Edubuntu has become popular due to its user-friendly environment. User-friendly, reliable and secure, education-based and multimedia. These are the important features of Edubuntu. What is the use of File Manager. File Manager provides detailed information about files and folders and drives. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folder. You can use it to view, create, copy, move, rename and search file folders. What are screenlets? बच्चों आपको ये सारे आंसर्स याद करने हैं, याद रखना प्रॉपर्ली. ओके? What are screenlets? Edubuntu contains mini programs called screenlets, which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to frequently used tools. By default, screenlets is not visible. You need to install it. आपको screenlets install करने पड़ते हैं. ठीक है? समझ आया? Briefly explain the utility of Ubuntu Software Center. Similar to the Play Store for Android mobiles, Edubuntu has its own download center named as Edubuntu Software Center. It is a utility that contains thousands of free and paid applications for Edubuntu. It helps you to search by name, category and description. एक बात बेटा याद रखना, ये सारे आंसर्स मैंने बुक में से ही लिए हैं. तो अगर आप बुक रीडिंग करोगे तो आपको सारे आंसर्स ये मुदित मुझे हंसा रहा है, तो बेटा फिर से सुनो. अगर आप बुक रीडिंग करोगे तो आपको सारे आंसर्स अपने आप याद हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज रीडिंग इज अ गुड हैबिट. व्हाट इज अ स्क्रीन सेवर? द स्क्रीन सेवर इज एन इमेज which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to normal. To apply screensaver on your desktop, you have to install them first from Ubuntu Software Center. How will you change the icon size on the launcher? Launcher size icon. At the bottom right corner of the Look tab, you will find a slider to change the size of icons on the launcher. Drag the slider towards right or left to choose from a range between 32 and 64 pixels. Next is name some icons that are present on the launcher by default. Explain any two of them. The default application that appears in the launcher includes the File Manager, LibreOffice, Firefox Web, USC. What is USC? Ubuntu Software System Settings, Floppy Disk and Thrash. I will tell you two because the question is any two. Thrash, it stores the deleted file. Dash is the topmost icon on the launcher and has Edubuntu on it. It helps you to quickly find the applications and files stored on your computer. I hope this question and answer series is beneficial and we have completed chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. All the explanation and all the question answers. Now chapter 5 question and answer series is going on. Please go to the playlist section. All the videos are arranged properly in the playlist section and you can find all the educational stuff starting from the beginning. And if you are adult, then also you can learn from our class 2 series and it will be really beneficial to you. These are not only for kids, these are for all those people who are trying to learn computers from the basic. So start from class 2 and go on. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving, and because of you channel is growing slowly, but yes, slowly or steadily we are growing and we are happy with that. So gratitude towards the universe, towards all of you. Thank you for supporting. Thank you. Have a nice day. Love, love.